Namaste from TechRam, and what I have here is the Infinix Hot 6 Pro, which has been recently launched in India and is priced at Rs 7,999. It's a budget entry-level Android smartphone. The phone comes with a 5.99-inch display, 18:9 aspect ratio and a HD Plus panel. It runs on Android Oreo 8.0 and it has a 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, and it's powered by Snapdragon 425. In this video, let's talk about the features, tips and tricks you can do on this phone. So swiping up takes you to an app drawer, so you can access all the apps here, and there is also a search option. So if you want to search a particular app, you can use the search box over here. You can pinch the home screen and you can access the wallpapers, widgets, theme, but you can also access the theme from the app on the home page, and there's a menu which is very important here. So the menu has a lot of settings, so you also get something called a gesture settings. You can use a lot of sliding action to launch certain apps. You can also use a gesture to launch a particular app so quickly. So I have used the two finger to launch the music app when I slide it up, and when I slide down the two fingers, it opens my gallery. So you can customize the gesture actions, which is pretty cool. And there are a lot of gesture actions. So pinch with two fingers to launch certain things, and clockwise rotate two fingers. This is cool. Let's see what it does. So I'll use that for the Play Store. So if I clockwise rotate, it opens the Play Store which I assigned. So you can use that for action for any app. So it's a pretty cool gesture actions which they have used here, and you can customize them also. And transitions is here. Icon size you can change. You can change the desktop grid into 4x4, 5x4, 4x5 and 5x5, and so you have a lot of other options here which you can explore over here. So the display settings also has an eye care mode, and you can enable the eye care or the blue filter toggle, so when you are using the phone at night, and it protects your eyes. You can also schedule it automatically, so like sunset to sunrise, or you can custom schedule to a particular time for this to be automatically enabled every day. The Hot 6 Pro also comes with the LED light, so LED reminder light or notification light is available. The fingerprint sensor is placed at the rear, and it works pretty neat, and it's quite fairly fast, and it's very accurate. There is no app lock, but there are a few other extra features. You can touch the fingerprint sensor area to take a photo or accept an incoming call recording, start a call recording, initiate a call recording when you are on a call, or you can use it to dismiss an alarm. So that's pretty cool, right? There is also a face recognition, and it surprisingly works pretty neat too. And when you go into the settings, you also find something called action and gestures. There is a double tap to wake, take screenshot with 3 fingers, and you can turn the phone down to mute it. You can go to the accessibility feature in the settings, and you can enable the option power button ends call. So when you are on a call, you can just press the power button to end the call. The Hot 6 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and there is also a battery saver mode in the battery settings. So if when your phone is battery is very low, you can enable the battery saver mode to get the last juice of the battery for an extended period. Talking about the sensors, I was very surprised that a phone which is priced at 7,000, they have made sure that all the sensors are covered. So you have an orientation sensor, gyroscope sensor, magnetic sensor. So yeah, VR is technically supported here. There is also a OTG support, so you can use your pen drive to mini pen drive, or you can use a adapter to connect your pen drive and access the file directly on the phone. So you can copy or copy paste in between the devices. There is also a screen recorder here, so it's not an extensive setting, but you want to record a screen, you can just press that option and it starts recording. Again, you go to the quick control settings and disable it to stop the recording. So there's a screen recorder here. So when you're playing games, you can also enable the game Dnd Mode, which you can find in the quick access settings. So what it does, basically you get a game Dnd, so you can play game without any distraction of the notifications. And it also supports one hand mode, so you can go to the quick settings and just tap on that. can move it to the right or to the left. So these are the various tips and tricks you can do on the Hot 6 Pro. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lashmadan signing off at TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.